Alrighty. I got a little unboxing for you guys, and what this is, it's called the Sitting Chair. It's called the Blizzard Bay Sit and Chill. Now, what this is, it's a chair with a little cooler attached to the bottom. And I'm gonna do a little live unboxing of it. So let's get this started. Oh, that's a lot of paper. And here's the chair. It's somewhat decent. In terms of the cooler already attached, it's kind of cool. How the heck does this thing go? I guess it goes like that. And this goes over the top. Like so. Doesn't look like a bad chair. Can fold down. How does this fold down? Okay, it folds down like so. So yeah, I feel like it's a nice sturdy chair. Looks a little bit on the smaller side, but hopefully it's alright. I'm gonna take this off camera and do a little review of it. I don't know. It's kind of hard to sit on. It's not really comfortable. To be totally honest with you, it's not that comfortable, honestly. Because you got metal bars you gotta sit on. I just don't feel all that comfortable. I don't know. It hurts my back and it needs more padding. Let's say overall, I guess it's an okay idea, but it's not the really most comfortable thing I've sat on. It needs to be kind of like a bigger seat, but cool is supposed to detach. How you detach it, I do not know. Maybe you can take it off like this. Nope. I said don't detach. It's supposed to detach, but I guess not. But you can put your soda or something in here, and yeah. So hope you all like my review of the Blizzard Sit and Chill, and until next time, I'll see you all later on Blog TV. And don't forget, Blog TV broadcast, 24-hour broadcast, should be this Saturday. Probably starting at about maybe 10 in the morning and going on till 10 in the morning Sunday. So that's the plan for the weekend, and I hope to see you all on YouTube and Blog TV, because this is going to be posted on both. So hope you enjoyed my live review and unboxing, and hope to see you all later. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed.